If your Slack bot is having trouble sending messages or you want to check for any error logs tied to your app, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps to find what's going wrong. By the end, you'll know how to open the app details inside Slack, check the Messages tab, and look for any error or status messages that can help you troubleshoot the issue faster. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open Slack. You can use the desktop app or the browser version, whichever you normally use for your workspace. Once Slack loads, go to the channel where your bot is supposed to send messages. This is important because you want to check the place where the app activity is happening, not just a random channel. After you're in the correct channel, click into the message box and type /apps, then press enter. This command opens the apps directory and lets you view installed apps connected to your Slack workspace. From there, look for your app and click View next to it. This will open the app information panel where you can review details and settings related to that app. Once the app page opens, go to the Messages tab. This is the key step because the Messages tab is where Slack may show error logs, warnings, or status messages that can explain why the bot is not behaving correctly. Carefully check whether there are any error messages, failed delivery notices, permission issues, or other status updates listed there. If you see an error, that usually points you in the right direction for fixing the problem, whether it is related to permissions, channel access, or the app configuration itself. If you do not see anything at first, take a slow look through the recent messages and status entries to make sure nothing important was missed. In many cases, the issue is something small, like the bot not being added to the right channel or the app needing an updated permission. The Messages tab can save a lot of time because it gives you a central place to check for clues instead of guessing what failed. Once you identify the error or status message, you can use that information to troubleshoot the app more effectively. That might mean reconnecting the app, checking workspace permissions, or reviewing the bot settings in your Slack admin tools or external integration dashboard. So the main workflow is simple. Open Slack, go to the correct channel, type /apps, press enter, click View next to your app, and then open the Messages tab to inspect any error or status messages. That's the fastest way to start diagnosing Slack app issues without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.